back to my channel. What's up guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be something new, something exciting. So as y'all can see, I am in the kitchen, a new scenery. Cause you know I told you I was coming back with the videos. I was coming back with a different content for you guys. So today we will be doing a cooking with Jay segment. So today I'm going to be cooking or making a crab boil. Y'all, my favorite food is seafood. Like, I think that's probably like the top food for me is seafood. I love crab leg, I love shrimp, I love like the potatoes and the corn, that's a juicy crab. All of that is my favorite. Like, I love me some seafood. So why not do a seafood boil for you guys? So today is New Year's Eve. Oh my gosh, 2021 is right around the corner. Thank God. 2020 has been so stressful and it just has not been the year for a lot of people. So 2021 better come in banging, okay? You guys see this video, it will be January 2021. So I hope all you guys had a good New Year's Eve, good New Year's Day. New Year's resolutions are popping. I just hope everyone's 2021 is eventful and it just brings a lot of opportunities and blessings for you guys, as well as I wish that same for me. So let's get right into. Right now I am boiling my potatoes, so I'm going to show you guys how that looks. This is how my potatoes look. They are in the pot, nice and soaked. I am about to boil them. I want to boil them first because the last time I made a seafood boil and I just put them in the oven, the bags, like they didn't cook all the way and they were still like hard, so they wasn't enjoyable to eat. So I want to boil them first a little bit so that when I put it in the oven it cooks the rest and it's the nice tenderness texture that it should be. So I will come back after the potatoes are boiled for you guys. Okay guys, so now I am back and let me show you guys the potatoes. So these are the potatoes. Right now they're like still in the water. I just turned them off so they can like settle down. But I didn't cook them all the way because I still wanted, they're still going to be cooked in the oven. So I didn't want them to be too done. I put it in the oven and then they get all mushy and it's not suitable to eat. So I just turned them off. So now I am about to take them out of there and put them into the oven bags that we have right there. Let me set you guys up so you guys can see everything. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have the crab legs right here, and we have the corn that we're gonna be putting in there, as well as the shrimp. Okay, so those are the main like ingredients that's gonna go into the seafood bags. These are the bags, the oven bags that we have. You guys saw the potatoes that we just boiled. So now all we gotta do is just like make the seasonings and the liquid that's gonna go in there and then pop it in the oven. So I'm gonna show you guys the different seasonings that I'm gonna be using. So first thing we have is some minced garlic, crab boil. We have some crab boil concentrated liquid. I never used this before, so we're gonna see how this works. The next seasonings that we have is some Goya, the like all-purpose seasonings. We have some Cajun seasoning. You guys can see that. Some garlic salt. I'm only gonna put a little bit of this in there, not too much. Some lemon juice. And some Creole seasoning. You know you gotta have the Creole seasoning. That's gonna make it pop. That's gonna make it pop, okay? Then we have the onion powder. So right now I'm about to put everything in the oven bags, whatever. Oh, one more ingredient that I forgot is you gotta have the butter. You have to have the butter. That just makes the juice. That makes everything come together and the flavor to pop because you have your butter. If you don't have your butter, it's not gonna taste good. I promise you, it's not. So you gotta have your butter. But I'm gonna put everything into the oven bags, and I'm gonna prop you guys up so you can see the process of that all. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, guys. So right now I'm just opening up the bags and making them big so that it's easier for me to put all the ingredients in it and it's not taking over and messing up as I put them in there. Okay, so now I'm going to rinse off my ingredients. I'm going to rinse off the crab legs. I'm going to rinse off the shrimp and put them both in separate bowls so that way they're clean, and then I can just pick and put them in the bags as I go. Okay, so now I'm starting to put all of the ingredients in the bag. So right now I'm putting in the corn, and I put in the potatoes after it. Okay, so after I put the potatoes and the corn, I'm going to start by sprinkling some paprika over the potatoes and the corn. And I also put in some Cajun seasoning over it. And then I'm going to put the rest in there and then go with the seasonings on everything. Just so the potatoes and the corn can get like a little bit more seasoning.
Okay, so now I'm gonna start with my liquid ingredients. I started with the concentrated crab boil. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of that in each bag, but the first 3 I put 2 just because I didn't know like if it was gonna be enough flavor. But yeah, I put 2 tablespoons of that. And then for the lemon juice, I put 3 squirts of it in each bag. Okay, so now for the garlic, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of that also into each of the bags. Okay, now for the butter, I'm going to put 1 whole stick and a half of a stick into each of the bags. I kind of ran out of butter, so you're gonna see me put like different butters in it. I had to mix it with salted and non-salted butter, but it still came out good, so it wasn't too salty.
Okay guys, so now I'm back. As you guys could see that I was putting all the ingredients and everything to the bag. I am finished now, and this is the final project. I mean, not project, but final results. This is how the bag looks. Some of them got holes poked in them because of the crab leg, so hopefully they don't spill out in the oven. But yeah, these are how they look. Got all the seasoning, the butter, the corn, the shrimp, all of the things. This one had to go in the pan because I don't have another tray for it to go on, so I had to ghetto it up and put it on the pan. But it's okay because it's still come out good. But yes, this is the results of what it looks like. So now I'm about to put it into the oven for about like 35 minutes just so it can cook everything. So I will come back when they're out the oven and show you guys how they look. Okay guys, so now that I am back, I'm about to show you guys how it looks. How I had to take it out early because it was starting to smoke. I think I left it in there too long. So I'm about to show you guys how it looks. It looks really, really bomb, but I ain't gonna do too much time. I'm just show y'all. So this is how they look. See the juice in there, the corn, and oh my god, it looks so good. I cannot wait to eat them. This is how it looks. All the juice. The seasoning, y'all see the seasoning. Y'all see the seasoning. Don't play with me. Do not play with me, okay? Because when it comes to seafood, I'll make it good. So, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You enjoyed watching me cook. This is a new thing I'm gonna try to do, like cooking, because I love to cook, y'all. Like I cook anything and everything. So I'm making it to like a whole segment with cooking with Jay or something. I love to cook and I want to show you guys how I cook. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You got a bed.